Hi, Darren Stewart with Stewart and Stewart Attorneys. Nick Wagner runs the litigation department here. He's joining me today. And I've been asked why did we hire 10 Golden Rules to help us. And the first reason was Jay. I mean, we got to know Jay through some of the seminars that we attended, and he's a really smart guy, and it convinced us very quickly that he knew what he was doing. And the reality was we really needed help with our website, and we needed help with our SEO, and we were lost with some of that. And we had someone on board we were working with, but we weren't getting the results we needed. And Jay and his team got involved and rebuilt our website.
Yeah.
And it's faster, stronger.
Night and day.
Jay likes to talk about the hockey stick results, where your results have gone up through the roof, and we are one of his hockey stick clients. Our numbers have just gone through the roof. I think 250% increase, and still climbing. So he knows what he's doing with that stuff, and it's probably one of the best decisions that we've ever made for our digital advertising. One of the best things about working with TGR, well, there's several. It's hard to say there's just one best thing. There's several, and I'll just hit a couple of them. First, and I've mentioned Jay, is working with Jay. He's the smartest guy I know with this stuff. He knows what he's doing. He's just so calm and collected and smooth, and because it's as a lawyer, we get a little scatterbrained, we're nervous. What's going on with it? And he keeps us on course, and we've had tremendous results, and I love that about Jay. Very, very bright guy. And then also Jay's team. He's surrounded himself with really good people, smart people, and they make themselves available to us. They're bending over backwards trying to help us redevelop things, rework web pages that we need to rework. We have bi-monthly meetings, and we talk a lot. And when we say things like, "Well, why is they go through crunching the numbers? It's huge numbers. We're looking at all these numbers, so we're getting down in the weeds, seeing where we're doing well and where we need to improve." So when we say, "Well, why are the numbers down there? It looks like they went down a little bit right there," and they dive into it, and they're saying, "Here's what's going on. It looks like this is happening." And sometimes there's things that you can't change or address. It's just kind of the market. But oftentimes there are things that we need to do differently, or we need to tweak, and it makes a big difference. So knowing all that stuff, or at least having someone who knows all those things, is huge benefit. And our digital has become a huge source of our new clients.
Night and day.
Yeah.